Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. As always, before I do get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much, troops. Really appreciate it. Here we are, Monday, the 4th of April, 2022, the start of a new trading week after what can only be described as a bit of a downer at the end of last week, troops. But good news ahead. I feel good news ahead. Here we are. Quick look at the daily chart on AMC. Ignore these lines here. This is what I've drawn up on the 5-minute chart. And we'll go into a bit more detail in that. But as you can see, last week it was just a little bit of a sell-off as we headed to the close, 4 consecutive red days. However, let's look at where we've come from 2 weeks ago. Not even that. We were at $15.50 and we closed the day at $23.30. So take from that what you will, troops. Over $7 up in 2 weeks. I'll take that all day long. Thank you very much. Very positive. Despite the red, it's positive. Pre-market, not too interested in that, but it is slightly up. Let's see where we go for this week. I'm really, really excited, troops. I feel more excited today than I have for several weeks, and I can't quite put my finger on why. But let's go over to the 5-minute chart and have a look. Let's show you what drawings I've got put on there. 5-minute, 5-day chart there. As you can see, over the last 5 days, we have been in this descending wedge there. Here's some of the famous ladder attacks that I talked about previously. And we've managed to just pop out of that, troops, actually. The falling wedge or whatever you want to call it. And we've managed to pop out of that in pre-market. And we've got this kind of, mini line there forming. So let's see if... ultimately, I think it's bullish because we're either going to bounce off here and have a good day, or we fall back into the wedge before open and we bounce out of it. Let's hope for that. That's what I'm looking at anyway. That's why I'm feeling a little bit of excitement, troops, on AMC, because technically it's looking quite nice for us. Over to GME. What an absolute... I'll tell you what, there's not really much you can say about GME. I know other people have commented, but I have to say the same thing. The only company in history that announces a split and a dividend, a stock dividend, albeit a stock dividend, and price drops. Wonder why that is then. And look at what we finished at, $165 bang on the nose. Like, well, really? You expect me to believe that there is absolutely no manipulation of the price whatsoever when it closes on the nose? For the umpteenth time I've seen it do that. It's ridiculous how often GME closes bang on the rounded dollar. It's ridiculous, troops. Anyway, there we are. Again, we had, a nice run up. So again, I'm not concerned where we are. $95 a couple of weeks ago, even less than that, $79 a couple of weeks ago. We closed at 165. So if you're not selling, you're just watching your portfolio grow. That's it. Yeah, sure, we had a red day, crappy red day, but hey, if you weren't expecting that, you haven't been in this long enough. That's all I can say. Again, we've got this nice, on the daily chart, it's nice ascending level of support forming right from there. You can see that clear as day. So let's see if we can maintain that. I've not really looked at the 5-minute too much, to be honest. Again, ladder attacks here that we talked about. That peak up to 204, again, all after hours, just a sell-off on Friday, a little bit of a jump. Let's see if we can maintain this level going into this week. Yeah, let's see. I've seen some speculation that Ryan Cohen might start buying again. Now he's cleared the period from the filing, he's able to start buying again. So let's see how that goes. One other quick one, again, over to CLVS. I'm not going to spend too much time in here, but it's having another monster run in pre-market, up 6%. The next level of resistance I've got it at is at that 270 level, which it is testing now in pre-market. So I'm really excited to look out for that. As I said, I did have quite a sizable position in CLVS. We got that pop on the phase 3. Good news, I sold half of my position, took some profits off the table, and the rest is just being left to run. And I'm pleased to see it running, troops, to be honest. They do make a drug to help cancer sufferers So aside from the money, it's also a really good cause. But that's it, troops. That's what I've got for you today. As I said, I'm really excited about this week. I don't know why. I just feel immensely positive about everything. The stocks, I feel positive about, just everything in general. So that's it, troops. Take some of my positivity, build it into your week. If you're not feeling much love for the stock market, you're not alone. But there we are. That's what I can offer. So that's it. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Wherever you are in the world, as always, do take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.